Hello everyone, my name is Herdayu Bowo and I'm from Faculty of Social and Political Science at Atmajaya University, Yogyakarta. Today, I will explain how to make pen lighting on Android phone. So, what is pen lighting? Pen lighting is artistic creativity in photography that utilizes a slow shutter speed so that the camera will be able to record light trails that we make to form various models. This technique is usually applied in the dark space and directs or illuminates multiple areas or point on the object within the length of the open shutter so that only the illuminated area is recorded in the photo. Are you curious how to make it? Okay, I will show you how to make pen lighting on Android phone. Tools required. In making pen lighting, the tools needed are a tripod, Android phone or cell phone, and also flashlight or small lamp. How to make pen lighting? First, prepare your Android phone and set up the camera. Select another menu and select Professional Mode Setting feature. Then you click ISO and set the value to just 50. For shutter speed, you can simply set value to 10. And white balance, you can set is 3000 Kelvin. And next, prepare a tripod and place it according to what you want as a background and attach the phone to a tripod. And prepare a flashlight or small light. You can also use firecracker or other object that produce light. And next, turn off the light. Try not to get slightest light in the room. And last, then click the button to shoot on the camera. And at that point, you can move the flashlight according to shape you want. As an example, here I will make a wing shape and a circle and wait for the shooting process to finish. Here, I will show you the result of the light painting I have created. That was a brief explanation on how to make pen lighting or light painting. This is something that you can try to create something new and certainly interesting to try. Thank you very much and see you next time.